Do you want to know what's worse than waiting in line? Being tricked into thinking you're not waiting in line. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Today, we need to talk about how McDonald's, a company that has literally perfected the art of fast food, figured out how to make a burger taste exactly the same whether you're in Tokyo or Topeka, and somehow convinced us that a McFlurry machine being broken is just part of the experience, has managed to screw up the simple act of saying hello. I'm talking about that godforsaken automated greeting that happens the second you pull up to the drive-thru speaker. You know the one. It sounds like an actual human, probably recorded, maybe AI, but it actually comes on like a cheerful person saying, hello, are you ordering from the app today? Or, hello, are you ready to place your order? And here's the thing, it sounds so convincing that my brain says, oh, somebody's ready to help me. Let me respond like a functional human being. So I do. I lean towards the speaker and I say, hey, I have a code. It's IL25. I turn down my stereo. I wait a minute and I wait again. And then I get silence, crickets, radio dead air. And if you think it doesn't sound that awkward, I'm going to give you some dead air right now. You see how awkward that was? How awkward is it after I've just said hello and no one else is responding? I'm sitting there like an idiot, wondering if they heard me or if the speaker's broken, or if I accidentally ordered from a ghost McDonald's in the Twilight Zone. And then after what feels like 17 years, but is probably 30 seconds, a voice says something like it's being transmitted through a tin can connected to a string, and it says, hello, what's your order? How can I help you? Are you kidding me right now? Let me get this straight, McDonald's. You have a greeting there that's essentially the corporate equivalent of voicemail, just buying time until an actual human can get to me. That's what we're doing here? Because I gotta tell you, that experience is freaking awful. Some genius in the McDonald's ivory tower, probably sitting in a Herman Miller chair, sipping a $7 oat milk latte, congratulating themselves on their innovation, thought, you know what would enhance the customer experience? If we greet them immediately when real anymore. You've broken my trust. You've turned me into a paranoid drive-thru customer who treats every greeting now like it might be a bot. I'm sitting there doing the mental calculus like, is this real? Is it fake? Should I wait? Should I respond? If I say hello and it doesn't respond, is that actually someone not listening, or is the technology broken? What are the rules here? It's like McDonald's has given me the drive-thru hell. Here's my solution. I'm giving this to you for free, McDonald's. You're welcome. You can either get rid of the greeting entirely or stay with me here. Stop acting like it's interactive. If you want to have an automated message, fine, but make it say something like, hey, welcome to McDonald's. We're looking forward to serving you. Please hold on just a moment while we finish up with the customer ahead of you. There, done. Expectations set. I know what's happening. I'm not confused. I'm not tricked. I'm not talking to a recording like I'm leaving a message from my doctor. You've managed the situation instead of just creating chaos. But when you try to make it seem like there's someone on the other end of the line just waiting to talk to me, just waiting to help me in that moment, that's deceptive. It's annoying. It's inconvenient. It's time wasting. It's frustrating. And honestly, it just makes me ignore whatever the first interaction is because I've been burned too many times. You've weaponized the greeting, McDonald's. You've turned it into a trap. And I, for one, am tired of falling for it. I will no longer fall for these shenanigans. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Hey, I got a question for you, Panda Nation. Have you experienced this automated greeting nightmare too? Do you sit there talking to a robot like an idiot before realizing nobody's actually listening? Or am I just living in my own little world? And hey, you McDonald's, you multi-billion-dollar corporation, you figured out the McRib, a piece of culinary genius. You figured out all-day breakfast and took it away like some sort of abusive relationship, but that's a rant for another day. You can figure out how to greet people without lying to them. Fix it. Fix it fast before everyone starts getting out of their car and going inside to actually talk to a real human person. Peter Von Panda, out.